Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here cyclopene compound is given with 4 bromine atoms. You have to find the compound can give how many number of signals in the 13C NMR spectroscopy. Before finding the number of signal, you have to analyze if there is any mirror plane present inside the molecule or not. The molecule is little bit bigger molecule, but you have to imagine and analyze the mirror plane. Here it has two mirror plane, one is along the bromine atom, another is bisecting the two benzene rings. The compound is very symmetrical because of two planes. The fact here is more symmetry, lesser number of signals will be there because atoms reflected in the mirror plane will be magnetically equivalent and have same chemical shift. So if you apply the fact, you have only 4 signal, which is A on the bromine side, B is the next carbon, C is the connected carbon, D is the pilot carbon. So totally 4 signal. Due to the two mirror plane present inside the molecule, the cyclopene has 4 signals. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.